See, first thing, talking about the Chief Minister's statement. Any Chief Minister or any Home Minister would naturally have to say this scripted line that we will take strong action and we will not spare anyone. These kind of words which you can really say that all right, it's coming. The question is between statement and the performance. Is this the first time incidents like this have happened? It may be this particular incident may be the first time. But the question is, we have had drugs, we have excise matters, where there is leakage, where there is theft, where there is cross-border flight of liquor, drugs entering, other police coming into Goa and catching accused here, gang war in Margao. After gang war in Margao, was the same statement not being made? We will take strict action and we will not allow this to happen. And how does it happen? So these are only statements for public consumption.